Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfateh Febriana Halim. I want to present to you all my lesson plan. The first is name of teacher. Name of teacher here is Zulfateh Febriana Halim SPD. And then name of school is SMPN 6 Barabai. And then subject is English. Grade class 9 junior high school. And the topic is what is it from chapter 12. And the text type is report text. The skill for this lesson plan is writing and speaking skill. And the last time allocation is one time 15 minutes. And this is the core competence. The core competence which has fixed from our government. And then next, basic competence and indicators of competence achievement. The basic competence is from 3.9 and the indicator of competence achievement is from 4.9, 4.9.1, 4.9.2. The basic competence and indicator of competence achievement is taken from the government draft, and this is based on the skill that teacher want to do in classroom. And next, the learning objective. First, the student will be able to create report text about animals, and the second, the student will be able to present their own report text about animals in front of their group in a meaning way. So this is the attitude, values, focus. First, religious, and then mutual cooperation, honest, and confidence. And this is the learning materials. This is the meaning of report text, and this is the example of report text. And this is the next is principle. In the principle there is a generative structure and dominant language features. In generative structures, this is back to the topic that the teacher want to teach the students. This is from report text. There is a title, general classification, and description, and there is the mean about this. And then the dominant language features. Using present tense because report text is using present tense. And then next word procedure. Write a report text about animals. And next, learning materials for remedial. A report text about animals that are good and interesting. And then learning materials for enrichment. Social function, generative structure, language features, and report text in the theme of animal, both written and oral. And the next is learning method. First, approach, scientific approach, and then learning model, CLT, communicative language teaching. And this is the learning media that will use in the classroom while the teacher teach the student. First is in focus LCD projector, and then pictures, and then laptop, and the last is textbook. And this is learning sources. First is from Kementerian Pendidikan Kebudayaan, and then I'm sorry, maybe this is picture. And this is pictures. Learning resources from I take the picture from Pinterest, and then module and internet and another relevant sources. And I would like to tell you about the teaching and learning activities. For 15 minutes, and the first is opening activity for 2 minutes. Here there is the orientation, a perception, motivation, and giving references. For opening activities, the teacher wants the student to have religious character, and the teacher give a perception and give motivation to the student to learn the materials. And next, for main activity for 12 minutes, first is stimulation. In the stimulation, there is a literation activities. There is 4 points: viewing, observing, reading, and listening. The specification of reading is students are asked to read materials from textbook or other supporting books from the internet or related material about report text. The theme is animals. And the specification of listening, students are asked to listen to the materials given by the teacher which is related to: first, report text about animals, chapter 12, page 226 and 227. And then create a report text about animals. Create is included hot to hot, higher order thinking. And the next is problem statement. There is a critical thinking. In critical thinking, teacher will ask the student for about 3 questions. The first question is what is report text? And then what is purpose of report text? And the last is what is the characteristics and language features of report text? And then the teacher wants the student to be able to answer this question: the meaning of report text, the purpose of report text, and the characteristic and language features of report text. And the next is data collection. There is a collaboration and critical thinking as a part of 4C skills. In these steps, the student for us to explore their knowledge by reading the first books about how to make report text, and then in representing activities, the student do the following activities. This is the student work in pairs to analyze the general function and dominant language features on the report text based on the paragraph. And then the teacher dividing the picture of animals randomly and ask them to create a report text about the animal. And the student discuss it with the friends in group. And after that, the student exchange information about how to make a good report text. And for data processing, there is a critical thinking. Discuss processing the observational data in way the student can know how to identify structure of report text, how to describe report text, and how to make report text. And next, verification. In verification text step, in this phase, the student present in front of their groups their own report text and this is will use a speaking skills. And then for generalization step, the student have to communicate with others in the case the student are discussing, to summarize the report text that interesting, and then for the closing activities, of course the student must have to summarize to know about their understanding about lesson and to develop their creativity. And then for the last, don't forget for the teacher to immediately checking the student work, and also give a reward for the good performance and collaboration groups, for make them more spirit, for give them more spirit in learning. And this is the assessment remedial and enrichment. For this one, there is effective, spiritual and social, and observation journal. And this is asset behavior aspect. This is the religious, mutual cooperation, and this is honest and confidence. So while the activities, teacher must look the student and give the score for them. And for the cognitive, the teacher use written test, and for psychomotor, the teacher use the student performance in front of the groups. And also the teacher have rubric for the writing and speaking skills. And that's all my presentation from the lesson plan. Thank you for your attention. If there is any question, please ask to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.